Meron po bang iba pang may presentation? Unahin ko na po kayo. Kung wala, we'll have Mayor LA present and then we'll open the floor sa mga LGU heads natin.
Good noon, Mr. Chair. This is only 3 slides. No? I just like to show yung situation ng makeshift classroom sa amin. So we have 74. I'll be requesting the Canva to be shown. So we have 74 makeshift classrooms. No? I know you've seen children going to school pag maulan na may payong. Pero in some of the makeshift classrooms that we've had, makikita nyo on the video, nakapayong sila sa loob ng classroom. Limang beses na akong bumalik doon and every time na sasabihin nila, Mayor, kailan na pumaayos? It really breaks my heart dahil alam kong may pondo. We've exhausted our resources. Hindi naman walang ginagawa local government, but we have very limited budget. Pinalala pa ito ng condition ngayon ng Super El Nino. Pag maulan, basang-basa ang mga bata. Yesterday, I had to cancel class dahil brown out. Last week, we had 49 degrees. No? Siksikan, as you can see in the picture, ang kanyang wall, yero, ubong, yero, lahat ng nakapalibot, yero. At alam ko, hindi lang sa lugar ko ito nangyayari. In some of the local governments that we have here, has the same problem. So we need to find ways. Hindi naman kami pwedeng mag-antay na lang na mag-antay. So kailangan din namin gumawa ng aming paraan. So we partner with some private organization. Next slide, please. You know what we've accomplished, Mr. Chair? We had a partnership with a corporate social responsibility of an energy corporation. They allotted and entrusted us with 3 million pesos. We were able to construct a 63 square meter brand new classroom. And aside from that, nakapag-repair pa kami ng 5 classrooms, including the roofing. 3 million lang po ito. Pero nagawa by administration construction ng local government. Posible po naman pala. Kaya naman po pala natin. Para lang po matugunan namin yung problema, dahil hindi dapat pag-antayin yung mga bata na ganun yung sitwasyon. I even issued an executive order, next slide, this is my last slide, even to encourage every department, national government agencies, even COMELEC, we did adopt a classroom program. For every department of the local government, for the national government agencies, that's in Infanta, like the BFP, PNP, naganap po kami ng classroom na i-adapt namin para lang mapagawa ng CR, maisaayos, by using our own resources. What hurts us, alam nating may pondo. Pinagmamalaki natin na ngayon yung may pinakamataas na budget. Pero bakit hindi namin maramdaman sa local government? Yun po lamang yung gusto naming liwanagin. Yun po yung gusto namin bigyan ng kasagutan. Kaya nandito rin kami dahil every day is a struggle. Every day. Paghahanapan ko minsan, bakit ganito grades ninyo? Bakit napakababa ng National Achievement Test Score natin? Bakit ang CRLA natin ang baba? If you're in that condition, na yung mga bata halos maghubad na sa init, o pag pumapasok basang-basa, ganun talaga po yung magiging resulta. It's not a conducive learning situation. That's why, Mr. Chair, sabi ko nga, among the mayors, sana parang LGSF na lang. Download straightly to the local governments. 3 million, nakagawa po ko ng isang brand new classroom. Nakapag-repair pa kami ng 5 classrooms. Hindi po pwedeng patagalin. I believe in DepEd, in the leadership of DepEd, Secretary Angara, with our good USECs, USEC Ron, mga kilala ko po silang matitino, maaayos, Director Hana, USEC MJ. Alam ko, they've been doing a lot of things. Yun lamang nasaan dito yung bottleneck. Yun po yung gusto malaman ng local government. If talagang mahirap, sabihin na natin baka namumualan, yung bang nagchuchoke na. Might as well, let's find avenues. You can trust the local governments. Kasi direkta po sa amin ng tao, pag nakitang hindi maayos ang classroom, Mayor, kasalanan mo yan. Bakit bulok yung ginawa niyong classroom? Kaya mas lalo pong pagbubutihin. Kung natatagalan po tayo because of the process, imagine, in just validation, it took us almost 7 months just to validate bago tayo makapag-release ng fund. May problema po talaga at importanteng pag-usapan po ito ngayon, Sen.
Okay. Mayor, so I'm sure nalaman mo na malaki yung pondo ng classrooms. Si Governor Helen pumuntang Malacanang para makipag-MOA signing. Tama, di ba? No?
Opo.
If I remember, she was also there. Pagkatapos noon, ano yung naging experience mo with this funding? Like may lumapit ba sa'yo na DepEd? Kausap ka ba ng SDS ninyo, SDO ninyo? Or up to this point, wala pa ring kumakausap sa inyo tungkol sa pondo para sa Infanta?
Wala pa po. There are different conditions naman. Unlike yung ibang parts of Quezon that the governor, our good governor, is working out, medyo mas G the areas at saka mas mahirap yung situation. So definitely the classroom cost on those far-flung places mas mahal compared with yung ginawa namin.
No. For example, yung MOA, mahalaga. May MOA ka na ba with
Wala
ang
pa po.
Infanta? May MOA na ba with DepEd?
Wala pa po.
Alam mo ba na kailangan ng MOA?
Alam namin dapat may MOA dahil last year when we'd had the mayor's dialogue, if you remember that, another dialogue with the good secretary, binigay na po sa amin yung requirements. At yun nga, hindi na kami nabalikan kung saan part kami pwedeng pumasok at kailan magkakaroon ng MOA signing. So, yun po yung ngayon lang din namin nabasa. There would be validation. Kaya tinatanong ng mga mayors kanina, sino nag-validate? Ba't hindi tayo nakasama? We were not even informed that there's a validation ongoing. So, isa po yun sa nakita rin namin problema.
Sige. At we'll let DepEd respond, no? Since sa proseso po nyo, Yusek, mahalaga yung MOA with DepEd. And naklaro ngayon, hindi lang siya with the governor, it's really per municipality or per city. Na-trigger nyo na ba yan throughout the DepEd system that your local DepEd officials should start talking to the mayors? Kasi on the ground, kausap mo naman lagi ang DepEd eh. Almost, I'm sure, nagkikita kayo niyan. Alam na ba ng mga local DepEd na yung unang-una, yung output ng validation dapat alam ng LGU. Kasi sometimes magkaiba yung assessment ng LGU at assessment ng DepEd dun sa mga areas na kailangan ng bagong classroom o areas na kailangan ng tulong. So, I'm hoping that your validation is in line with the LGU's assessment as well, no, na magka-sync yun. Pangalawa, dahil mahalaga na may MOA sila with you, sinasabihan nyo ba yung local DepEd na puntahan nyo na si Mayor? Kasi sometimes galing pa sa opisina namin yung mag-uudyok sa kanila na mag-send ng mga requirement. Dapat yung local DepEd yung kumakausap sa kanila na ito yung requirements ninyo. Nagmamadali tayo dito, isend nyo na yan para masimulan na yung proseso. Yusek Philray.
Yes, Mr. Chair, alam na po ng mga nasa field natin, pero para ho mas malinaw, instruct po namin na liwanagin pa po nila. Pero clarify ko lang ho, Mr. Chair, hindi po lahat kayang mag-MOA kasi iba-iba po yung modalities natin. Ay inuna po natin yung provinces, sa cities, sa yung municipalities po, napakadami po para mag-MOA. Meron na pong budget for that. For the municipality of Infanta, for example, meron pong allocation yung municipality of Infanta, DPWH at saka LCS po yung kanila. Kasi yung equitable po yung ating distribution. Pag lahat po bang gumawa, tapos meron pa hong LCS, meron pang DPWH implementation, mag-duplicate po eh. So may PC pa ho. So hindi po lahat kayang mag-MOA kasi meron pa pong ibang modalities. Ang mahalaga po lahat po magkakaroon ng classroom construction.
Okay, so in that case, for Infanta, hindi siya LGU supported. Ito, first time to narinig ni Mayor LA siguro, no? First time. Which means yung classroom allocation niya is with DPWH. So your data already know, we should already know before the end of the day. Would you have the data? Ilang classrooms ang mabibigyan sa Infanta, Yusek Philray? Sige,
Pull out ko lang
pakipull
ho,
out.
Mr. Chair. Sa Infanta Hosod, ano ho siya, DPWH at saka LCS.
Sorry, LCS
Meaning,
is
learning continuity space po yan. Meron po siyang 2 sites. 6 classrooms po ang total.
6 classrooms total.
Opo.
Anong school yung pinakita mo kanina, Mayor LA?
I believe, Mr. Chair, yun yung pinuntahan natin before when we had the
Yes.
Education Summit. That's Binulasan Integrated School. No, actually, ang backlog on that school alone, nasa 22.
Okay.
22 classrooms.
Si Binulisan, tama no?
Yep, yes, sir.
Pinakita mo yan kasi para sa iyo, yan yung pinaka nangangailangan ng tulong ngayon. Correct, di ba?
Yeah.
That's
Yes,
why
Mr.
that's why yan yung pinakita mo sa amin ngayon. So, anong site yung na-approve ninyo? Is it Bunilisan? Because sa assessment ng Infanta, and I remember pinuntahan natin to, ang dinala niya ako dun sa lugar na sa tingin niya, yun yung pinaka malubha,
Mhm.
'di ba? So I'd like to know, is that the site that DPWH will build classrooms in?
Sa ngayon po, Infanta CS at saka Libho Elementary School. Pero again ho, Mr. Chair, running number ho ito. Mayroon pa hong mga hindi pa nare-request na pondo. Sa ngayon po, 6 classrooms sa Infanta CS at saka Libho Elementary School po.
Oh, so hindi pa yung Binulisan, 'di ba? You're familiar with these sites, Mayor, no? Itong binabanggit nila.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ano yung sites na yan, Phil Ray?
Infanta ho at saka Libho Elementary School.
Libho,
Libho.
tsaka Infanta Elementary
Apo.
School. Sa assessment mo, Mayor, syempre lahat naman nangangailangan. Pero tama ba na yung Binulisan ay mas nangangailangan kaysa dun sa dalawa?
Yung Infanta Central would be needing din talaga. Yung Binulasan, much greater yung need. Opo, dahil very visibly, ilan yung makeshift classrooms nila. Ngayon nga, inadapt na namin para lang maisaayos. Pero it wouldn't suffice. Using our personal resources, hindi namin kayang tapatan yung classroom ng DepEd.
So here's the thing, no? So yung validation ninyo, hindi ba yan in coordination with the LGUs? Wouldn't they be in a position to also help in the validation para malaman ano talaga yung pinaka nangangailangan na lugar?
Sa local DepEd ho yung aming coordination kasi sila ho din yung nakakaalam. Marami po sa kanila nakipag-coordinate naman ho sa LGU.
Okay.
So,
Alam mo, si Mayor LA kasi matagal ko nang kilala to. I'm sure kahit yung local DepEd, kausap mo rin naman. Did you agree on which sites yung ifo-forward din nyo sa DepEd?
Hindi po eh. We
Hindi.
regularly have our local school board every month. Sometimes we do it twice. No? Never na pag-usapan. Never na may naibaba sa kanyang information with regards alin yung uunahin. Ano po. At she knows because she were there dun sa aming education summit. Alam niyo yung priority na kailangan
Yes,
unahin.
I was the speaker sa
Yes, sir.
Education Summit mo. So, siguro, Yusek, anyway, may 20 plus billion ka pa naman
Oh.
na pondo. Mahalaga na yung sites na validated ninyo, kasi look, each of these mayors, siguro tagsa-10 yung kanilang eskwelahan. Di ba? More or less? More? Aris, more? Baka 20, 30?